All right, guys, so we have about half a day left with our MPG testing, but I wanted to do this video. So this video is going to be like the first 150 miles impression of this new S&B Intake. As you can see, we are at 156, so I'm going to capture this right here, right now. I just got to work, and this video popped into my head. So I just wanted to document what we're sitting at right now, and let's cut to the garage where I tell you about my thoughts in the first 150 miles of having this intake installed. All right, and we're back in the garage. So if that holds true, first impressions of this whole system from installation, customer service before I even bought the product, price point, legit gas mileage, I guess I said that twice, and the sound it makes and throttle response, I'm completely happy with it in the first 150 miles. So if you guys are waiting for the MPG test, by all means wait, research more, research other systems if you want. But for 150 miles, I'm giving it the okay, I like it. So okay, go ahead and purchase it. Like I said before, I wouldn't recommend snorkel ready. Also dual battery setups, or if you're electing to put like an ARB compressor or something like that back on this side instead of over there on the driver's side, you're gonna run out of room. So there are smaller systems out there. This system's a big one. If you're looking to install those in the future, don't recommend this system. But if you don't care about that stuff like I do, I mean, I don't see the point of, at least right now while I live in Florida, for a dual battery setup. I don't have enough stuff on my vehicle to really draw all that power, and I don't think I'll ever do onboard air. I would rather just have the air compressor that I got and just plug it into the outlet in the back of the vehicle and just move it around. I mean, yeah, the wifey system would be okay. Hey, Rago, send it out, send it out. I'll love to do it. Other than that, I think it's just as easy to do each of your 4 tires at one time. But who knows, maybe when I go back out west with this vehicle, thoughts will change and everything like that. If we do end up getting the supercharger on this, which I really hope, especially for YouTube purposes and long-term testing and all that stuff, because there's no one on YouTube that has it for the 4Runner. Tundra dude, he has it for his Tundra, which is an awesome concept. No one I've seen on YouTube is long-term testing a Magnuson supercharger. That is something in the cards for the future. It's just very expensive. But I'm trying to grow the channel for that. Not just the supercharger, but trying to grow it to get multiple cars on the channel. So that's why I have another job too, along with the military and everything. It's just, don't sell yourself short, guys. And I'm not gonna go on with a rant because this video is not about that. I give it a thumbs up. It's a great system. The quality looks great. Like I said, the only gripe that I had was my own doing because I failed to read the instructions to use their longer bolts and the plexiglass not fitting perfectly around the box. It fits perfectly on the seal, but one end is a little closer to the edge of it and then the other ends are a little further away, but that's definite OCD kicking out right now. After 150 miles, definitely recommend it. Tomorrow, we will be filling up the vehicle and then I'll be doing the calculations, and depending on when I get home from work, the MPG video will either be out then or it will be out Saturday to see the real world MPG testing. And then the moment I fill this thing up, I am flooring the absolute out of this truck because I've only done it twice. God dang. So typically I don't drive with just floor my vehicle all over the place because there's no point. You're gonna catch the next red light and you're gonna be right next to the car that you just floored past, right? Unless they're going very slow. But I typically don't floor my vehicle all over the place. The moment I floored it once with that thing in it, which I can see why maybe sometimes people will think air intakes are worse for gas mileage, is because just the sound it made, just sucking in that air and just hearing this little, it's not a little V6, but this V6 sound added with like a huge just throaty growl. Man, it sounded really good. So the moment we fill it up and I finish that video for the real world testing, you guys are gonna get some sound clips. We'll do some either 0 to 60 runs, or I'll just have the vehicle quiet, no radio on or anything like that, and we'll just drive around town because I wanna put that in the video for you guys. The T8 head unit, I have a video coming either this weekend or sometime next week of the 5 things I like about it and the 5 things I hate about it. It's been in the vehicle for about 2 weeks now and I have some different opinions about it. So thank you guys for stopping by for this video. I recommend it in the first 150 miles. I will have long-term testing, obviously, for this. I'm not just gonna take it out of the vehicle. If I absolutely hated it, I would take it out, but I freaking love it. It is great so far. So if you guys are new around here, please feel free to subscribe. If you guys enjoyed this video and this information, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later.